Okay, so we are live now. Hello, guys. How are you guys doing in this fine afternoon? So today we are going to see WordPress tutorial. We'll see how you can build a zero code website. If you have done PHP previously, this WordPress is based on PHP only. So if you know PHP, you can work with it. But in today's tutorial, we are going to make zero code website. We are going to see how you can work with WordPress. You can download WordPress themes and we'll also see how you can run your WordPress on your local host. So for building your website, we are going to use localhost. So we'll build our website in our local computer. Then if you want to make it live, you can get a web hosting and domain, and then you can make your website live. So in today's video, let's start with first downloading what's necessary. So first thing that is necessary is go to your browser and type XAMPP download. So XAMPP is nothing but a local server. Here you can create your own local server with Apache and MySQL. So go to XAMPP download, search XAMPP download into your Google Chrome. Go to the first website that comes up. I guess net is a little bit slow. Okay, so you'll get a page something like this. Then you can download any one of them. So click on any download button and your file will be starting to download. So first thing is this, go and download this. This might take a while depending upon your internet connectivity speed. So next thing which is necessary is go to your web browser and search WordPress download. So you can create your WordPress website on online also, but we are going to make it on localhost. So that's why we are going to use WordPress on your local computer. So we have to download the WordPress. So search the WordPress download, go to the first link. There are other websites as well, but we'll download it from wordpress.org only. So go there, you'll get a page something like this. Click on this button, download WordPress, and your file will be starting to download. So these are the two software which are necessary to make your WordPress website. Then go to your downloads. You'll get your XAMPP and WordPress zip files over in the downloads. Then start your installation process. You can install XAMPP into anything. I have installed XAMPP into my D drive, so I'll show you. So while you download, make sure that you give your name as XAMPP. So extract your XAMPP file over here, make it a folder, go to it. Then you will get many folders and files in here. So we'll be working with htdocs. So any file that we want to create, we'll make it in htdocs. So go to htdocs, and in here you have to copy your WordPress file, zip file, and paste it over here. Correct? So put your WordPress file over here, and then you can extract it. We'll see how you can do that also. So now when you run your installation of XAMPP, you'll get a XAMPP control panel which looks something like this. So over here we have to start our Apache server and MySQL server. So when you, let's make it stop. So you'll get something like this. So just push the start button. So now we can work with it. So many of you will get an error if you have downloaded MySQL previously. So this port will be occupied by some other application. So you'll get an error, which is very common error. So let's see how you can solve that too. So open your, press Windows plus R key, then type service.msc. So now over here, search for the application which is occupying your port, MySQL port. So for the most of you, if you are in first year, second year of college, or you have downloaded MySQL previously, so MySQL occupies your 3306 port. So for that reason, XAMPP doesn't work because the port is occupied. So you'll get an error there. So search for MySQL 80, then you can right click on it, go to properties, and then over here just put start type as manual and stop it. So now if you want to run it, you have to do it manually. So now your XAMPP will work just fine. correct? So that's about it. Then let's see what we are going to build today. So we are going to take a template of WordPress and we are going to make a blogging website, so which will look something like this. We are going to take an easy you know easy template for the first time, because it's your first, it's for complete beginners. So we'll build a website with some look something like this. We'll make various pages, we'll upload some blogs, we'll make categories, we'll make paginations, we'll do the footer, we'll do the gallery also. We'll see how you can do this. We'll see how you can put your favicon over here. If you have worked with PHP, you know what this favicon is. So we'll see how you can do that. We'll see how you can put your logo over here, and we'll see much more things. So let's get started with it. Let me close this first. I'll show you step by step how you can create your first website. So now go to the htdocs folder. Over here, right click on the zip file of WordPress, click extract all, and put your, let's say my website's name is this. Okay, so put your folder name over here and extract it. So it will take some time because there are 3000 files, so bear with it. In the meanwhile, let's see. So if you go to your Chrome and just type localhost slash phpMyAdmin, and you'll get a interface something like this. So here you have to make your database. You just have to create your database, and everything else will be managed by WordPress. So go over here, press new database, give your database name like R is okay, press create. So our work here is done. We just have to create a database. Let's see if the files are copied. Files are still copying. Let's give it some time. It's almost done. So I have made this folder previously, but for the convenience for you guys, I'm doing this again so you can see the whole process. And if you get stuck in any step, kindly put it your comment in the comment section. What are you facing and what issues are you facing? So yeah, now it's done. So we have extracted our WordPress folder. So they are giving us the WordPress like this. So for SEO purpose, what you have to do, just copy all these files, Control C, go to the previous folder and paste it over here. Why we are doing this? Because this will be our URL. So we have to make it SEO friendly. And now you can delete your WordPress folder. So yeah, that's about it. Now you can go to your Chrome browser, type localhost, the web merge. So yeah, now you'll get an interface which looks something like this, which is of WordPress. So select English, continue. So they are asking for something. So you have to provide your database name, which we just created, the database username, the database password, the database host, and table prefix. So let's go. So database name is what we put over here. It is web merge. Okay. Username for you guys will be root if you have not changed it, and password will be blank. Database host is your localhost because it is your local computer. Table prefix will be something like this. Let me show you. So when you create your database, every table will be containing this WP prefix. Correct? Okay, so submit this and you have to run your installation. So give your title of your site, put username as admin. You can use this password, but you have to remember it for future references. So let's say I'm putting admin here only. It's very weak. It's okay. Confirm weak password and put your email address over here. You can put anything. And don't check this checkbox. What it is saying is discourage search engine from indexing this website. So search engines have web crawlers which are used to rank your website. So it is for SEO purposes. So don't check this, otherwise crawler will not crawl your website. So install WordPress. So again it will take some time. Okay, so now WordPress is installed. So click on login. So we have provided username as admin and password is also admin. So provide that. And if you want to click on remember me, you can click and then login. So now we are at the dashboard of our WordPress. So over here you can work with your website. So we'll first download a template. So how you can download your template? So go to appearances, go to themes. So these are some pre-installed themes. If you try to open your website which is currently running, so type localhost, the weeb merge. So currently this is our website. It's the basic template which WordPress provides, so you don't have to do anything. It's pre-built, but we have to we want to get another theme. So let's click on add new theme, the button you see over here. Click on that. So you can see various themes over here. See, you can take any theme you would like, but for the teaching purpose we are going to take a simple template first, and we are going to understand the tools that WordPress provides. So go to search themes, write BAM. It's the most basic theme, and it is also available on the internet. Many of the users have used this, developer have used this. So click on install. For this you have to connect with your internet because it is running online. So now our theme is installing. You can also create your own theme and upload on WordPress, but you are beginner, so don't do that. Install any pre-built theme, then click on activate. See now, so our theme is over here now. If you go to your website and refresh it, so this is the theme that we are getting right now. This is our website, the weeb merge. So what we are going to do in this website is we are going to put some gallery of anime. If you guys see anime, you will understand what is a weeb. A weeb is a person who sees a lot of anime. So we are going to put a merge section over there, like t-shirts and hoodies and all that. And also we are going to put some blogs. We are going to put some gallery. We are going to make a navigation menu and all that. So this is our current state of the template. Let's see how you can add some pages over here. So this is our sample page that is provided. So go to this again. Now click on pages. So here you can see all the pages that is available right now. So these are not necessary. So click on them. Then you can see a drop down menu over here. Click on that. Click on move to trash and apply. So now all the pages will be gone. See, pages are gone. Correct? Only this home page is available right now. Correct? So let's add some new pages now. So how you can add pages in WordPress is, so you can see a add new page over here, and you can see a add new page over here also. So click on any one of them, click add new page. Now click, let's say first we are going to make home. This is the title of your page. And let's say we are not putting anything into the content right now. Over here you can see the properties of your page. You can set a featured image, visibility, publish, page attributes, and this is your layout. So let's put a featured image. So just click on that and you can upload some files from over here. So I have downloaded many JPGs and PNGs. Let's open it and set as featured image. You can put alternate text over here, let's say, and click on set featured image and put publish over here. So your now page is published, correct? So let's add one more page. So we'll make 3 to 4 pages right now. So click on add new page. Let's say about us. Don't put anything over here, just publish it. So when you publish, it is on the website now. So let's add one more page. Let's say blogs and publish. So now all of your pages are on your website. See, it has come over here. So this is your navigation menu. So we have put a featured image over here, which has come over here. This is our home page. This is our blogs page. So we have not put the content yet. So that's why nothing is coming over here. There is about us section also. And the main thing about this WordPress is you don't have to worry about the, different devices. It is already dynamic. So see, it will look like this on your mobile devices. You can see on every devices how your website will look, correct? So now this is our navigation menu. So now we'll see how you can create your navigation menu correctly. Let's say I want to put home first, then about us, then blogs. So how you can manage your menus. So you'll see appearance over here. So go to appearance, go to menus. So you'll get something like this. So let's say create a new menu. Give your name of the menu. Let's say I'm giving navigation. You can put anything over here, doesn't matter. Now you can create your menu, and you can also select a display location where you want to display it. Just create it. Now you can add your pages over here. So let's say I'm adding this over here, add to menu, correct? Now you can drag and drop over here. Just let's say I want to put home first, then blogs, and then about us. So I want my page to look like this. So now you can do save menu. After you do this, go to your website and refresh your page. So there is something wrong over here. See, now we are getting this. So I have put home first, blogs next, and about us next. So this is our home page. This is our blogs page. This is our about us page. Correct? So now what we are going to do, let's say we want to put some, let's create a home page first. Let's say I want to get some text to put it on my website. I'm taking random text right now. You can put anything. Let's say I want to give this, copy this, go here, go to your pages, and from here you can edit your page. Let's say I want to edit my home page, and over here I'll put some text. You can make it bold, italic, anything you want. Correct? And update your page. So now go to your website, refresh it. So now you'll get your text over here. So this is how your home page looks like currently. Correct? Let's say now you want to put some blogs. So how you can put some blogs, we'll see that. So we have post section over here. Click on that. So currently these two are our post pages right now. So I don't want this hello world post. So I'll delete it, move to trash and apply. Correct? So let's add some new posts. Let's say put some random text over here, and here you can manage everything. Let's say I want to put some featured image. So let's upload some files. Open it. Okay, this is already uploaded. Set this as featured image. So this will come on the top, like here it is featured image. You can also add images in your text. So click on this plus icon. You can put image from over here. You can upload a image file. Okay, so if you don't like this, just you can delete it. So this is how you can create your post. These are some tags. If you want to write, you can take it. These are the layout file. This is your layout of your page. So let's say I want the full width content centered. So I'll click on it and I'll just publish it. Correct? So now go to your website, refresh your page. So you can see a recent post over here, which is Demon Slayer. You can click on that. So see, you are getting your post over here. Correct? So now what you can do is we'll create some random posts, like 6 to 7 posts. So let's create them. Let's say add new post. Let's say you can write excerpt over here. So what it means is you'll get your 2 to 3 lines summary over there, and when you click on it you'll get to the whole blog. So you can put it over there. So I'll put something over here. Okay, let's say full with content. Let's set a featured image, or let's say I'm putting image in my blog. So click on this plus icon, click on gallery. Click on this plus icon, click on image, and you can upload your image file from over here. So what we are posting, Attack on Titan. We open. So now this image will come over here. If you want to take it up, you can move up from here. So I want to put it over here. Okay, so our blog will look something like this, and you can publish it. Let's create few more. Let's create a featured image, upload file. At full width. You can also select full width and publish it. Create one more. This is a little bit of tedious task. You have to create many blocks. Let us create one or two more, then we'll move on to the next topic. Let's say what else we have. We have Dragon Ball. So right, Dragon Ball. Set your featured image. Open. Oh, we forgot to put text over here. Publish. Okay, let's create the last post. Let's say publish it. So now you can see that this will be coming onto your website. So see, recent post is all the posts that we created. So when you put your option as full screen width, you'll remove this sidebar navigation. So otherwise leave it as default if you don't want that. Okay, so now what we want to do, we want to put this all in blogs page, or let's say we want to create a category and then put it in that. So when we create on blogs, when we click on blogs, we want our blogs to appear. So for that, what we can do is go over here, go to appearance, go to your pages, all pages which are there, click on edit your blogs page. So it is not coming over here right now. So let's create one more page. We'll see, put it as category that will appear on our website. Say category. Okay, let's create some categories first. Go to post, create category, and in this create like old school the slug is your URL which will appear over here, so you can put that. So currently all our posts are in this uncategorized category, and put description as like anything you want and add new category. So our category is generated, and currently all our blogs are in this uncategorized category. So you can edit this category, put it on edit. Let's say new animes. This is your slug. Parent category is nothing, and update it. So now it is updated. So now if you see, we are getting 6 posts in your new animes. So now go to your posts, all posts. Let's say go to Jujutsu Kaisen, and over here we are going to see a category tab. Where did it go? So these are the categories that we created right now. So Jujutsu Kaisen is new anime, so update it in new anime. Now let's go. So Dragon Ball is old school. Go to Dragon Ball, select category as old school category, and update it. Naruto, let's say Naruto in the old one. Correct. So now you are getting this over here. Go to Attack on Titan, select category as old school, and update it. Okay, so now it is updated. So go to your dashboard now. Go to appearances and menus. So now that we have created categories, go to categories, select these new 2 categories, and you can add this to menu. So now these are our categories which are over here. Now you can save menu. Go to your website and refresh it. So see, now you are getting your categories over here. So see, we have 3 in the new animes, we have 3 in the old school animes. So these are our categories, correct? So now let's see, if you want to put a drop down over here, how you can do that. First of all, let's see, if you want this page is getting us 2 in a row and 3 in a row. So we want to put pagination over here, like at a time only 2 will come. So how you can do that is, see over here you are getting all this. So if you want to, create a pagination over here, how you can do that. So go to your settings tab, go to reading, and over here you can create, like, let's say 2 pages at most you want to see, and in the feed what you want to show is excerpt which we have created, and you can save your changes. So now go to your website, refresh it. So see over here, now you are getting a pagination over here. So this is the functionality of the template which you downloaded. So it might differ if you have taken another template. So if you click on second, you'll go to second, third. You can do previous and next also from over here. See, you are getting pagination on every page now, correct? And this is your WordPress, so it is already dynamic, so you can search over here. Let's say I want to search for demon, just search, it will come over here, correct? So let's say now you want to put some subcategories, like let's go to categories first, go to posts. No, let's go to menu and put subcategories over there. appearances, go to menu, and over here you can create subcategories also. Let's say put about us as last and put this as subcategory of blogs. Correct? Now you can save your menu, refresh your page. So when you create on blog, click on blogs, you will get two categories over there. See, so it's coming like this now. Correct? So let's say now when you click on any post, there is a leave a reply over here. So currently you are logged in as admin, so it is not giving you all the fields that is necessary. So let's try to log out and then see how it looks like. So let's click log out. So this is how your user will say it. So let's say user is putting some comment like nice blog, keep it up. You have to provide your name, your email, your website. If you want to put it, is not necessary. Then if you want to save, you can save it. It will use cookies to save, and you can post your comment. So currently see what it is showing. So your comment is awaiting moderation. This is preview. Your comment will be visible after it is been approved. So some users might come onto your website and put anything in your comment section like promotions, links, and everything. So for that purposes, WordPress does not allow direct comments. So admin has to approve. So we have to log in over here again because we have logged out. So over here you can see a comments tab. Go to that. See, a new comment is coming over here. So you can approve it, you can reply to it, you can edit it, then approve it. You can put it into spam, you can put it into trash and anything. So spam means it is not correct comment. You can put it into spam, you can put it into trash. So for now we'll approve it. So as we approve it, now go to your website and refresh. So our comment will be coming over here and you can reply. So when you are logged in as admin, you can comment anything. Let's say I'm replying as thank you. So when you post your comment, it will come immediately. Why? Because you are the admin. Admin does not need the approve comment section. admin does not need to be approved. So that's why if you're logged in as admin, it will come immediately. So now you have understood how you can create comments and reply to it. Correct? So now what we'll see is, let's go to your home page. Let's see. Let's create your logo over here. Let's say I want to put my logo over here. So for that, what you can do, go to settings, go to appearances and go to customize. So this is your current website. So in here, what you can do is, so let's say go to site identity. So over here, you can select your logo and put it anywhere you would like to. So let's say upload files. I have this one logo downloaded. Click select. Don't crop because it gives error many times. Skip the cropping part. So now you will get your logo over here. So if you want to remove this, you can also remove this. You can also add some taglines like so it will look something like this now. So now let's say you want to put a favicon over here. So currently what you are getting as favicon, it is your XAMPP icon. So let's say I want to put my logo over there in the favicon. So if you have used PHP, you should remember we were putting favicons on the top of the page. So like that you can create favicons from over here. Select an image, select, skip your cropping part, and now you can see our favicon is coming over here. Okay, so this is how you can do it and publish it. So it is published now. Go to your website and refresh it. So see, now you are getting your favicon and your logo and your slogan over here. If you want to remove this logo and slogan, sorry, text and slogan, you can go over here and unmark this checkbox. If you do that, let's see what happens. This text will be gone. Only your logo will come. Correct? So we don't want that. We want to display the text as well. This text will be that only which you have provided as your project name. Correct? So you can change it from here as well. So let's publish it and refresh your page. Correct? So this is how your page is looking currently. So let's say the themes in WordPress provide you many widgets. So this sidebar is all these are widgets. So you can modify them, put anything that you would like to put. So for that, what we can do is go to your dashboard. You can put widgets in your any pages that you would like. Let's say on home page, put edit. So from over here, you can browse your widgets. So you can see all the widgets that are coming over here. You can put anything, correct? Let's see what is permalinks. So this your URL, it is known as permalinks. So how it is created right now? So it is using your day and name. If you see your go to any page, so this is how your URL is created right now, day and name. So you can also put as plain. So if you go to any, so see over here it is year is coming first, then day, month, and then day, and then your post name. So we can do as plain. Save your changes and try to refresh it. So it will not work because you have changed some settings. Refresh your page one time. Okay, now go to any post. So see now ID is coming over here, correct? So mostly we'll use plain and post name. You can also create custom structure, but for SEO purposes we are going to use post name only. So let's save changes. See now only the post name is coming, correct? What else you can do over here? Let's go to widgets, see what widgets are provided over here. So from over here you can create a new widget or remove any widgets. So let's say we want to put some widgets in your footer. So let's say there are 4 footers available over here. Let's say you want to put something in this footer. So click on plus, browse all. Let's say what you want to add in the widgets section. These are your widgets that is already available for you. So let's say I want to put a page list, correct? Let's add a heading to it. Let's say it as h2 only. Let's say quick links, correct? click on update, go to your website and refresh it. So now you will see quick links over here. Correct. Let's say this is looking very empty. Let's say you want to put something else over there also. Let's say in footer 2 you want to add some widgets. Let's say what you can add over here. You can put anything that you like. Let's say we want to put some social icons. Let's say I want to put a WordPress. Say wordpress.com. You can put your, any handle that you would like to put over here. Currently we are just testing this, so we'll put any icons. Correct. Now you can update it. Is updated. Refresh your page. So now you can see your icons over here with animation. You can click it, you can navigate through it. Also you can click navigate from over here. Correct. So let's say what else you can do over here. You can also add inactive widgets. So yeah, that's how you can work with widgets. Now let me check thing first. So from over here, currently it is showing like 5 recent posts. So let's say I want to put only 3. Save changes. Okay, so settings has been saved. Let's create one more page. So now what I want to do is I want to put a gallery page in which you can see images, download images, zoom into images, and all that thing that you want to do. So for that purpose, what you have to do, go to pages, add one new page. So you can create it like this. Let me show you the first simple way of doing it. Then what we are going to do, we are going to install a plugin, and that then we are going to do it. So first let's say we are going to create a gallery. Over here we are going to add some images. Let's say I want to upload some images. Select all the images that you would like to display and create a new gallery. Insert gallery. So now your images will come over here like this. Correct. Now you can publish it. Publish. Go to your appearance menus. Over here you can add your gallery into your menu. Add to menu. Gallery will come over here like this. Save your menu. Go to your website, refresh it. So now you'll see gallery over here. So this is how your image will come onto your website. So if you try to click on them, you can observe nothing is happening over here. Correct. So for that purpose, what we are going to do, we are going to insert a plugin, and via that plugin you can zoom into your website. Correct. Let me check which plugin I had used. Okay, we have to use Lightbox. Let's download the Lightbox because it is nice plugin. So from where you can install your plugins is you are getting this plugin tab over here. So go to the plugins. So these are some pre-downloaded plugins that comes with your template. So you can click on add new plugin and search for Lightbox. Correct. So over here you will see many Lightboxes over here. So from here you'll download this one, responsive Lightbox and gallery. Click on install now. So your Lightbox will be installing into your website. For this you have to connect it, you have to be connected to the internet, and you click on activate. So see, now your plugin is installed. So if you see on this dashboard, you will get two options over here like Lightbox and gallery. Correct. You can go to gallery. So currently there are no galleries available over here. So let's say create a new gallery. Let's say we are going to name it as anime gallery. Let's select some images. Correct. Then you can use these items. So your gallery will be created over here. You can configure this. You can create your size. You can create your columns. So let's say I want to show 4 in one row. You can create basic masonry. You can create basic slider, basic grid. We are going to use global basic grid only. You can also create the design over here. So when I click on one image, let's see this after. First, let me show you how you can publish it. So you have created one gallery now. You can copy this code over here, gallery code, or if you like to work with PHP, you can copy this PHP code and add it into the file. But we are developing zero code website, so just copy this code right now and publish it. So now when you go to your website and refresh it, you'll observe there is nothing new over here. It is still not working. Why is it so? Because we have made this gallery page statically into our website and we have put some images over there. So what we want to do is we want our plugin to work. So for that purpose, what you can do, go to your pages again, go to your gallery page and remove all these images. Okay, so now that you have removed this, just copy your code over here, the gallery code over here, and update it. So now that it is updated, go to your website and refresh it again. So now if you see, this is how your web page will look. Click on gallery once again. So now when you click on any image, you can see it is getting zoomed in. You can also navigate through your images. You can download them. And also if you see cross over here or escape button, you can get out of it. That is how you can do. So currently it is not giving us any hover effects. So for that purpose, what you can do, go to your gallery once again, the gallery which we have created, go to edit, go to design, and from this you can create any thumbnail icon. So when you hover onto your image, this eye will come. On hover effect, let's say I want to put effect 1 only. Okay, and update your changes. Correct. Now go to your page, refresh it. So now when you hover onto your images, this hover effect will come. Correct. When you click on it, it will look like this. Correct. So let's say this is coming over here, top menu. So for that, what you can do is go to appearance, go to menu. So currently we have only one menu over here. See, now it is changed over here as well. Correct? So we don't want that. We'll say this only. Correct? So now this above one is removed. Correct? This is how you can create your page. So you can also modify this widget. If you don't like this, you can remove them. I'll show you how you can remove them. Go to your where was it? Go to your widgets. And from over here, let's say you don't want to put let's say you don't want this, so you can easily delete it. You can just remove it. Correct? And you can update your changes. Go to your website, refresh it again. So now only these three will come. Correct? So yeah, this is how you can do this. That's about the basics of how you can install a theme and you can work with it. So in this tutorial, what we saw how you can install XAMPP, we saw how you can install themes, how you can modify your themes. In next video, what we are going to do is we are going to work with Elemental, how you can create more interactive and more this website looks a little dull, but because it was our first website, we have taken a simple template. In next video, we are going to use Elemental, how you can work with Elemental and create more dynamic web pages. This is about it. Go to your computer now and practice it.